A massive missile and drone barrage has struck the Kyiv region, leaving at least 16 dead. This escalation exposes critical air defense shortages and signals a deadly shift in the conflict's intensity. These strikes highlight a growing vulnerability for millions of civilians. Here is the full breakdown of the attack and its immediate implications. This conflict began in February 2022, sparking a full-scale invasion that has devastated cities across the region. For over 2 years, the struggle for air superiority has defined the war. Ukraine relies heavily on foreign-supplied defense systems to protect its population from constant aerial bombardment. However, recent shortages in interceptor missiles have left critical gaps in the shield protecting the capital. Russia has repeatedly targeted these vulnerabilities, shifting its strategy to overwhelm defenses with combined drone and missile strikes. This latest barrage is part of a broader campaign to break civilian morale and cripple infrastructure. A massive barrage of missiles and drones has struck the Kyiv region, leaving at least 16 people dead. Reports indicate that at least 33 others were injured, as the strikes pounded residential and infrastructure targets. Military analysts state that Russia is intentionally exploiting critical shortages in Ukrainian air defense systems to maximize the impact of these raids. This latest wave of attacks highlights the growing vulnerability of the region's airspace. Local authorities are currently working to clear debris and rescue survivors from the wreckage. This barrage reveals a critical vulnerability: air defense shortages. By targeting the capital, Russia is testing the limits of available interceptors and applying psychological pressure on the population. The immediate impact is clear. Civilian casualties are rising as defenses are stretched thin. Moving forward, watch for an urgent push for more advanced missile systems from international allies. If those gaps are not filled, we can expect more frequent and lethal strikes on urban infrastructure. The window for reinforcement is closing. A deadly barrage of missiles and drones has left at least 16 dead, highlighting a critical shortage in air defense. Do you think increased international support is the only way to stop these strikes? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for the latest breaking news.